Hello, dear students. Let's learn English. You will need Prepare 6 Students Book and Workbook. Let's start. Open your students' books on page 56 and your workbooks on page 42. Let's start. Let's remember the new words. Materials: cork, cotton, leather, metal, plastic, wool. Let's do exercise number 1 in your workbooks. Complete the words with the missing vowels. 1. Wool. 2. Cotton. Number 3. Leather. 4. Plastic. 5. Metal. 6. Cork. And now, let's complete the sentences with the words in the box in exercise number 2. Let's start. 1. My shirt is made of cotton. Number 2. Mobile phones and tablets are usually made of metal. Sentence number 3. My winter jumper is warm because it's made of wool. 4. Water bottles are usually made of plastic. And the last sentence, number 5. My boots were expensive because they're made of leather. Very good job. Let's do exercises 1 and 2 in your students' books. Look at the photos from A to E and answer the questions. Which item of clothing do you like and why? Then, read the article and listen to it. Match the photos from A to E to the paragraphs from 1 to 5. Let's start listening and reading.
They're made of what? Are you wearing a pair of leather boots? Is your jumper made of wool? Are your shorts made of cotton? Sorry, that's not cool. You need to wear clothes made of something else. 1. What do you do with your old tin cans? Do you recycle them? What happens to them next? Well, some people use them to make clothes. This dress is made of metal from old food cans. It looks good, but maybe it's a bit noisy when you move. 2. Cork comes from the outside of some trees in countries like Portugal and Spain. We usually find corks in the top of bottles, but you can use cork for other things too. Did you know you can use it to make clothes, handbags, hats and shoes? It's very popular in the big fashion houses. 3. What do you do with your plastic knives and forks after your picnic? Do you recycle them? Do you collect them? Some people do. In fact, they make jewelry out of them. Can you believe it? This designer has made hers into an amazing hat. 4. This dress won a prize in the yearly toilet paper wedding dress contest. You need a lot of toilet paper, and of course, you don't want to go out in the rain when you're wearing it. 5. Everyone needs shoes, and lots of people drive cars. When you change your car tires, why not use the old ones to make shoes? They are easy and cheap to make, and they don't look bad.
Now let's match the photos to the paragraphs. Paragraph number 1. It's about photo B. Paragraph number 2. It's about photo E. Number 3 is about photo A. Paragraph number 4 is about photo C. And the last paragraph, number 5, is about photo D. Now, let's think and answer the questions. Would you like to wear any of the clothes and jewelry from the article? Why and why not? What do you do with your old clothes when you don't wear them anymore? Think and answer these questions. Let's do exercise number 3. If you need, read the article again and choose the correct answer. The article is about, let's think, what is the best answer? I think it's B. The article is about making things to wear out of unusual things. Very good. Now, let's answer these questions in exercise number 4. 1. What is the dress in photo B made of? It's made of old food cans. Question number 2. What can you make with cork? We can make clothes, handbags, hats, and even shoes. Question number 3. What is the hat in photo A made of? It is made of knives, forks, and spoons. Question number 4. Why should you be careful when you wear the dress in photo C? Because you don't want to go out in the rain when you are wearing it. Question number 5. What are tires usually used for? They are used for shoes. Very good. Let's do exercise number 1 in your students' books. Match the photos from A to F to the words in the box. Picture A, it's made of wool. Picture B, it's cotton. Picture C, it's cork. Picture D, it's made of metal. Picture E, this bottle is made of plastic. And picture F, these shoes are made of leather. Very good. Let's answer the questions in exercise number 3. What other unusual things can we use to make clothes, shoes, or jewelry? What are your clothes and shoes made of? Think and answer. For example, we can make shoes from plastic. My jeans and socks are made of cotton. We can use paper to make cups. We can use coconut fiber and coffee grounds. These things can all be used to make clothes. Let's work out our pronunciation in exercise number 4. Look at the words and think about the first sound. Put the words into the correct columns. The first column will be with the sound s, sick. The second column will be with the sound sh, shower. And the last column will be with the sound ch, chair. Let's start. Sick, s. See, socks, suit. Shower, sh. Shirt, shoes, shorts. Chair, ch. Change, cheese, chili. Very good. Exercise number 5 will be your homework. You have to say this. She sees 6 socks and 7 shirts in the suit shop. Try to say this quickly. Practice and do it. Let's do the reading task in your workbooks. Exercise number 1. Look at the photos and the title. What do you think the article is about? Choose the best answer. Then let's read the text and check our ideas. Fast fashion. Do you like fashion? Are you wearing new clothes? Do you buy new clothes every month? For many people, the answer to these questions is yes. In the past, people didn't buy many clothes. They gave their old clothes to their brothers and sisters or recycled them in the home. But today, many clothes are cheap. People buy clothes and they only wear them 2 or 3 times. They don't want them after 2 or 3 months. We call this fast fashion. It's fun, but it's bad for the environment. Everyone needs clothes, but how can you help the environment? Here are some ideas. Number 1. Don't buy many new things. Buy one good t-shirt, not 6 cheap ones. Number 2. Recycle your old clothes. We all have clothes at home that we don't wear. Some people sell their clothes online or swap them with friends. You can give good clothes to a charity shop and send very old or damaged clothes to a recycling center. Number 3. Buy recycled clothes and accessories. Mat and Net is a company that makes bags, but the bags aren't made of leather. They are made of 100% recycled bottles. The company also uses cork and rubber for its bags. You can love fashion and also love the environment. So, the best answer will be clothes and the environment. Let's do exercise number 2. Read the article again and say if the sentences are right or wrong. 1. In the past, people recycled their clothes. That's right. Number 2. It's now possible to buy many clothes without spending a lot of money. That's right. 3. Fast fashion is when you buy things quickly. It's wrong. 4. You can sell your old clothes to a recycling center. It's false. 5. The bags at Mat and Net are made of plastic. That's right. In exercise number 3, let's find words or phrases in the text to match their meanings. 1. The air, water, land, and animals around us. Environment. 2. Give one thing and get another thing for it. Swap. 3. This shop sells things to get money to help people, places, or animals. Charity shop. 4. People recycle things here. Recycle center. 5. When something is broken or not in perfect condition. Damaged. That's all for today. The lesson is over. Thank you very much. Your homework is exercise number 5 on page 57 in your students' books. Goodbye.